Weeds now grow where the traffic once flowed on the North Washington Street Bridge, which has been closed for more than a decade in the city of Wilkes-Barre. The bridge was closed off back in 2013 due to safety concerns. But now Mayor George Brown has signed the right-of-way plans, clearing the way for the federally funded replacement project to begin to move forward.
It's financed by the federal government, so there are things that we had to do according to federal government guidelines. So we're working through that, but the nice part is it's moving now. It's finally moving.
Over the years, a fence to mark its closure has been adjusted, leaving a narrow path for foot traffic to still get through.
It's a hassle having to get through these gates and climb over these little blocks or whatever. It would be better if they just, clear all this out and make it just a bridge, a normal bridge.
Those who live nearby say the direct route is a lifeline, especially in this bitter cold.
Quicker, safer travel, I'd rather say, rather than go all the way around where there's no sidewalks on the other side.
And it's one for our emergency responders, too.
The major problem here is not just because it's an inconvenience for the people who live in that area, but for police and fire. It takes them longer to respond to calls up in that area because they have to go around where the bridge is shut down. That's why we've been pushing it so hard. It's a public safety matter.
The city is working with PennDOT to clear a few hurdles before construction can begin.
We can start going and talking to property owners about securing their properties so we can go into the next phase of construction and design.
But it's one neighbors are looking forward to as well.
For the walkers, I'm going to say more better for travel, for the kids, more easy for them to get to the bus stop over here at the corner. So I guess they'll do a lot for the community all in one.
We've reached out to PennDOT officials who are working on a few questions we had regarding this project. We're still waiting to hear back.